I just checked into the DoubleTree Hotel in Dallas, Texas. I'll put a link to this one down in the show notes. If you didn't notice it from the name of the YouTube video, you can figure out which hotel this one in particular is. Right by the front entrance. I've been in here for about an hour. I wanted to give you a quick tour, my initial thoughts of the hotel room. Now, right off the bat, when you walk in the room, you have a nice closet here. They do have a laundry service. Does come with an ironing board, full iron. Nice metal rack here, which is for the luggage, which is great. I've been told that metal, if you put your luggage on a metal rack like this, it deters any bug hitchhikers from coming home with you. Apparently the metal is something they don't like to climb on or mess with. So that's pretty nice. It's nice that they have an iron and ironing board here. I'm increasingly finding you have to call and ask for that. So thank you, DoubleTree, for that. That's pretty cool. When you walk in, you have a very nice little bar area right here. I really like this. You know, if I was going to be in town for a while, I could easily see this, especially if I had the kids. Put the snacks up here, some drinks. There's a little fridge down here, which is pretty cool. I do have the coffee machine there, 100% free, double coffee cup maker, so you can make two at once. Yeah, and then you have a nice bucket glasses. Kind of wish these were plastic. Not a fan of glass. Maybe I watched too many 2020 specials about how these actually get clean. It seemed like for a while everybody went to plastic, and now glasses are coming back, and I would rather have plastic. A nice little storage down here. Very nice size safe that you can easily put a laptop, some tablets in there, which is great. A very nice little fridge over here. No freezer, just fridge. You can control the volume. Looks like a wine fridge, but it's just a generic fridge. A little fancier for the DoubleTree. And then you got more storage over here. A little pull-out, little charger back there. A little storage down there. I know a lot of people ask me this. What kind of coffee does this hotel have? Here you go. A couple different decaffeinated and Colombian this time. So, and then your typical, you do have some tea options. English breakfast, some sugar, and so on. So, nice little setup there. Then the actual room itself, which is pretty nice. There's a few downsides here I'll get to in a minute, but let's get to the positives first. Right off the bat, nice desk area, nice little top here with a little bench there to either sit on, use a footrest with your chair over there. Nice size 40-inch TV. Downside is the TV. Now, if you're like me and you come here with a streaming player, you're out of luck. This is one of those TVs where they deliberately block out the ability to use a USB. For one, this is not on a swivel, which means you can't sit in that chair in the corner, swivel the TV out and watch it. There is no input controls. There's one power button in the entire TV. It looks like a TV specifically built for hotels to prevent you from plugging in a streaming player, which stinks because I paid for the premium internet for the purpose of streaming that. They do have a decent lineup of channels, about 51 or so. I was seeing if they had any skip numbers. Doesn't look like it. They do have a function button on this remote, but it doesn't offer any input options. It's a custom-made TV. I've never seen a TV where you can get to the menu, you can adjust things like the time and the picture and all that, but you cannot change it, which is probably because they want you to order movies. DoubleTree, it's 2018. I want to have my Netflix. At least have one of the TVs with Netflix in it. The other issue with the room is the desk. Very nice desk, little drawer over here. Little charger station on the right hand. The downside comes with this glass. For one, I don't think I have oily skin or anything, but you can see I've only been using it for a little while. You can see all the finger marks and so forth. This gray area does not work with my Logitech mouse. I have a Logitech MX, I guess something or other mouse here, and it doesn't get picked up here. I have to go over this wood. Works great. Probably use that book right there for it. So wish I brought a mouse pad. Other than that, it's very nice. Again, though, you kind of can see the TV fine, but I wish it could tilt out. You do have a nice little phone here with all the pre-programmed support you would expect. It's, again, very nice sitting area here. I could definitely see sitting here, reading a book, doing a little bit of paperwork, reading about Texas. Downside, I can't really easily watch TV. If I sit here, that's what I see. Oh, I can technically see the TV. It's a very subpar viewing experience. The plus side is I do have a very good view of outside the hotel. The other side has an equal view. I think that's Fort Worth way down there in the distance. I'm not sure. Maybe Dallas. I'm not very familiar with Dallas yet. But yeah, so nice. It just feels like I'll have to drag the chair over there to use it to watch TV. 2 queen beds in this room. Very nice center console here. I was a little worried at first. I didn't see any plugs on the lamp. I didn't see any plugs up here. I was looking for that. There is one USB on the light on the radio here with the ability for, if you have an iOS device, to use that. Kind of hidden on the side here, there is 2 plugs on each side of the bed, which is really nice. So you can easily plug in multiple devices, and both sides have a plug. And then there's one in the very back. There is breakfast here. Let me do that. Room service, and then you can set up for a breakfast. Prices are not crazy. $2.50 room service plus 22% gratuity, which is kind of where they get you. They do offer the cookie. They do offer the water since I'm a Hilton Honors member. And then you do have a text message system here. We can ask for reservations. You can ask for wine and other things. So if I have a call, you can just text. Bathroom's pretty nice. Nice. I'm not sure if that's quartz or granite. It looks like granite, now that I say that. I'm going to go with granite on that. Pretty standard DoubleTree amenities here. And if you forget something, they do have a few freebies that you can get, like toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, comb, that kind of stuff. Again, the recycling option over here, trash, if you want to keep track of your recycling, it's pretty nice. And the towels are definitely a step up higher quality than you get with a Hilton Garden or a Hampton Inn. The shower is pretty nice. Probably ready to get refinished here in the bottom. Probably will be doing that pretty soon. It looks like newer shower head, new fixtures. It feels very clean. Yeah, not a lot to say about the bathroom other than it is nice. You do have a nice full-size mirror, again, in the bathroom door. And one last mirror. They have a little one of those extra powered zoom makeup mirrors right there. Overall, I really like the hotel room. Beds are very firm, very nice. Triple sheeting, so you know it's clean, which I love. Hilton does a very good job at that. One of the things I don't like is the TV. I'm a cord cutter. I could care less about cable. I want to watch my Netflix. I want to watch my Hulu. I want to watch my Amazon. Can't do it here. At least they could offer one of the TVs that has that option built in. Those are becoming very common at hotels. This is the second Hilton hotel in the last couple months where I've been unable to plug in my streaming player. This one actually has the HDMI port, but they've deliberately created a system to prevent you from doing that. By buying a TV without any input control options on the TV, and then blocking out in the menus, locking it out on the remote. Pack a universal remote, or just don't book here. Send Hilton a message, let them know, hey, if you're going to block my streaming, we're not staying here, if that's important to you. Overall, though, I would give this a good 4 out of 5 because it is a very nice hotel. Does have room service, does have a nice restaurant, does have a bar, and customer service was great. Just very disappointed in the inability to watch what I want. There's some content I wanted to stream tonight that they don't offer here, and I'm out of luck, sadly. So I'll be watching it on my laptop or tablet tonight. Hey, questions, comments, let me know. Do my best to answer them. If you want to check out this hotel, I have a link to it down in the show notes so you can make sure you get the right hotel. And again, 4 out of 5, it's good. The TV is, I think, will be a deal breaker for many people.